Now, today we want to look at identity matrix. We want to find out what nature of matrix is this. Now, we have a matrix 1001 multiplied by the matrix 1243. Now, we say that when we multiply matrix, then we multiply a row by column, and therefore we'll have 1 times 1 plus 0 times 4, and that row by that column, which will be 1 times 2 plus 0 times 3. When you multiply the second row by the first column, that is 0 times 1 plus 4 times 1, and then you multiply the second row by the second column, and that is 0 times 4 times 2 plus 1 times 3. And what do we have? We have, that is 0, that is 1, that is 2, that is 4, and that is 3. So we realize that we get the original matrix before we multiply it by this particular matrix. Let's try again and multiply that matrix by another value. Let us post multiply this matrix 1, 2, 4, 3. Here we have pre-multiplied. Now here we want to post multiply. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. So when we post multiply, then we have, that is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 0, that is 1. Then we are now multiplying by this column, that is 1 times 0 plus 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we multiply this column, that is 4 times 1 plus 3 times 0, that is 4. And we multiply 4 times 0 plus 3 times 1, and that is 3. So when we pre-multiply this matrix by this matrix, we get the same matrix. When we post-multiply this matrix by this particular matrix, we get the same matrix as before. Now let's try on a different matrix. Suppose we have 1, 0, 0, 1, and we want to multiply it by a general matrix A, B, C, D. What are you going to get? So we have A times 1 plus C times 0, that is row, column. Then you multiply by the second column, 1 times B plus 0 times D. Second row, first column, 0 times A plus 1 times C. Second row, second column, 0 times B plus D times 1. And what does that one give us? That one gives us A, B, C, and D. Therefore, this matrix is a special matrix, because when we multiply it by this matrix, we get the very matrix. When we multiply by this matrix, we get the very matrix. So a matrix to which, if we multiply by another matrix, we get that matrix, is called identity matrix. So it is a matrix that when multiplied by another matrix, either you pre-multiply or you post-multiply, you will get that very matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is an identity matrix of order 2. As identity matrix of order 2. So there are several identity matrices. For example, you can have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is also an identity matrix of order 3. So you can have identity matrix of order 4, order 5, up to order n. So we can move in that order. But for now, we just want to look at identity matrix of order 2 for our study at this level. So we'll only be dealing with identity matrix of order 2. Thank you.